Isn't it fascinating how borders are becoming less and less relevant in our digital lives? You can connect with someone on the other side of the planet instantly, share ideas, and even build businesses together. But what about our money? It often feels stuck, confined by geographical limitations and traditional banking systems. For those of us here in Nigeria, this can be particularly frustrating. We see global opportunities, want to participate in the evolving digital economy, but often face hurdles when it comes to accessing international financial services smoothly. Think about wanting to invest in a booming tech company overseas, or simply wanting a secure and reliable way to send or receive money internationally without exorbitant fees and endless paperwork. That's where platforms like Bitwala come into the picture. Bitwala, now rebranded as Relay in some regions but still offering its core services, aims to bridge this gap. It offers a way to engage with the world of cryptocurrency and traditional finance in a more unified manner, potentially offering solutions for international transfers and access to digital assets. So, you're intrigued and want to explore what Bitwala has to offer? Great! Signing up is the first step, and thankfully, it's a relatively straightforward process. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get your Bitwala account up and running. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Bitwala website or download their mobile app. The app might offer a more streamlined experience, especially if you plan to manage your account on the go. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up or Create Account button. It's usually prominently displayed. Clicking this will take you to the initial registration form. Here, you'll be asked for some basic information. This typically includes your email address and the creation of a strong, secure password. Make sure to choose a password that you haven't used elsewhere and that combines a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for optimal security. After entering your email and password, you'll likely need to agree to Bitwala's terms and conditions and privacy policy. It's always a good idea to take a moment to read through these documents to understand your rights and responsibilities as a user of the platform. Once you've accepted the terms, you might receive a verification email at the address you provided. Head over to your inbox and click the verification link in the email. This confirms that your email address is valid and that you have access to it. With your email verified, you'll be prompted to provide some additional personal details. This is a standard procedure for financial platforms to comply with regulatory requirements and ensure the security of your account. You'll likely be asked for your name, date of birth, your current address here in Nigeria, and possibly your phone number. Next up is the identity verification process, often referred to as KYC, Know Your Customer. This is a crucial step that helps Bitwala prevent fraud and maintain a secure environment for all users. You'll typically be asked to upload a copy of a valid government-issued ID, such as your national identity card, driver's license, or international passport. Make sure the document is clear, well-lit, and all the information is easily readable. In some cases, you might also be asked to take a selfie to confirm that you are indeed the person in the identification document. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully during this process. Once you've submitted your identification documents, Bitwala will review them. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few business days, depending on their verification workload. You'll usually receive an email notification once your identity has been verified. While you're waiting for verification, you might be able to explore some basic features of the platform. However, full functionality, such as making transactions or accessing certain features, will typically be unlocked only after your identity is confirmed. Once your account is verified, congratulations! You've successfully signed up for Bitwala. You can now explore the platform's features, which might include options for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, sending and receiving international payments, and potentially other financial services depending on your region. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, if it's offered, and be cautious of any suspicious emails or messages. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.